We've just been listening in there to the French President Emmanuel Macron, who began his address to the nation by raising the alarm over what he said is a fifth wave of Covid-19 currently sweeping Europe. The president there keen to highlight, though, France's successes in bringing the pandemic into check and saying that 100 million doses of vaccines have been administered these last 10 months. He also asked people to come forward and get a booster jab. Also highlighting the achievements made with the economy during these difficult 18 past months, talking there about the government-backed loans and assistance, which he said has helped millions of French people and businesses to stay afloat. Well, also listening in to that with me was our French politics editor, Marc Perelman. Marc, let's begin by talking about COVID. Of course, the French president absolutely adamant that France shouldn't go down the same road as the United Kingdom and Germany with much higher numbers than we're seeing here at this particular moment. But clearly the alarm bells are ringing, aren't they?
Yes, absolutely. And he sounded them. He said the incidence rate rose by 40% in the past week. So France might be at lower levels than Germany or the UK, but it might only be a matter of time before it finds itself in the same situation. And so he told the French that there would be new rules in exactly a month's time by December 15th. If you're over 65 or if you're certain illnesses, you have to get a booster shot if you still want to have this health pass. The health pass is essentially the magic wand to go into a bar, a restaurant, or a theater and to have a normal life. So he's hoping that what happened when he announced the instauration of this health pass back in July, which was essentially the French all rushing towards vaccination, the same thing will happen with the booster shot for those over 65. And he also announced that for those between 50 and 64, this booster shot would become an option as of December 1st. Not an obligation for now, but an option. So he's hoping that the French will vaccinate themselves. He also said that masks would be still mandatory at schools. And he warned the French, obviously, to make sure that they keep wearing the mask, washing their hands, keeping their distances, because obviously he realizes that many people are letting the guard down after a month, if not years of pandemic. So he expressed confidence that France put in place all the tools, including maybe pills in the near future to fight this pandemic. But clearly the fight was not over. The pandemic is not over. Those are his words.